Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you what is add hyperlink to document activity in UiPath. So this add hyperlink activity, in the name itself it is used to add the hyperlink to Word document and it is included in the package like UiPath.word.activities. So this add hyperlink to document activity is used only inside Word application scope activity. Okay, so if you see here I have created a sample document here. I am going to add this hyperlink to this document. So this is a sample data. I am going to add hyperlink in this document. I can add at start or I can add at the end of this text in this Word document. Okay, so go to our UiPath Studio and click on this plus icon and search for sequence activity. And inside this I am going to search for Word application scope activity. So if you want to perform any operation in Word document, you need to use this Word application scope activity, and I am going to give the path of the Word document file. So it is, let me click on it and open it. So I am going to use this add hyperlink activity. So I need to fill all these fields, and here you can see this field is text to display, which is for the text to display in document which represents the hyperlink. Okay, so let me give as www.uipath.com, and in this field I need to provide the link to which page it is going to open when you click on this text in Word document. Okay, so go to Chrome. And from here I will copy this link, and inside this field I am going to paste it here. Okay, and insert related to means it will ask you to select two options like document or text. Okay, for now I am going to select document. It is going to add the hyperlink at position start or end of this document. Okay, so I am going to select start. If you select this document, you can see positions like only start and end. Similarly, if you select this text, you can see three options like before, after and replace. Like it will add that hyperlink before the text, before the specified text, or after the specified text, or it will replace the text with the given hyperlink. Okay, but for now I am going to select only document. I will explain you what is this insert related to text option in UiPath. So for now I am going to select the hyperlink should be added at the end. So that's it, and let me run this board and you can see how it will be added to your document at the end of this Word document. So task is done, and let me go to this Word document and I will open it. So you can see here the hyperlink is added at end of the document. So keep pressing on Control and click on this link. So it will redirect to the given page. Okay, so this is how working with add hyperlink to document. And similarly, let me show you how if you add at the start position of this Word document. So let me delete this one and I will close this. And let me change this position way to insert is to start. So it will add the hyperlink at start position of the document. Okay, so let me run this board. So it's done, and I will open the Word document. So the hyperlink is added at start position of this Word document, and keep pressing on Control and click on this link. it will redirect to the page. So I will show you one more option in this add hyperlink activity. So till now we did an operation on document. See, if you want to add any text, or sorry, if you want to add the hyperlink, the same hyperlink in between this text or in front of any this text, or at the end of this text, or if you want to replace this text with the hyperlink, like that you can do in this UiPath Studio. So let me select this text, and if you select this, it will ask you to with a new field like text to search for. So for example, let me give this robots text in our UiPath. So I will give robots. So it will search for this robots text, and it will add the hyperlink before or end of this text, or it will replace this text with the given hyperlink. Okay, so I'm going to add at before the text, and let me run this code. Go to the Word document file, and you can see here the hyperlink is added before the given or specified text. Okay, so let me delete all these hyperlinks, and I'm going to show you a new thing. So what if the text doesn't exist in that document? So it will, you can see at the result, I'm going to create a variable, and I'm going to name it as hyperlink out. Okay, I have created a variable and named it as hyperlink out. So it will return a boolean value like a true or false. It means when the hyperlink is added to a Word document, it will return a true value, and if the hyperlink doesn't add it to the Word document, it will return a false value. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to use a message box activity, and inside this I'm going to pass the variable name hyperlink out, and I will run this bot. We can see. So hyperlink is added to the given document, so it is showing the true value, boolean value. Okay, what if the given text doesn't exist in that Word document? Like, let me change this text to just robot, so which is the word which does not exist in that Word document. So we know that, and let me run this bot. We can expect the output which is false, because the robot text doesn't exist in that Word document. So we can see the message box is showing a boolean value which is false. Okay, so if you select this document, you can choose only two options like start or end position of the document. Similarly, if you select this text option, you can see three options like before text, after text, or replace the text with hyperlink. So let me show you this replace option now, and go to this Word document. Let me delete everything, and I'm going to replace these robots with hyperlink. Okay, so go to UiPath Studio, and I will just change this option to replace, and I will keep it as robots. Okay, so it is going to replace the text robots with the given hyperlink. Okay, so let me run this bot. So hyperlink is added, you can see in this message box. So okay, and go to your Word document, and you can see the robot's text is replaced with hyperlink here. Keep pressing on Control and click on this link. It will redirect to this page. So this is how working with add hyperlink to Word document. Keep practicing. Please do subscribe, and thanks for watching.